Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn the Victorian novel, narration and characterization together, step by step. Victorian novels live or die by point of view. An omniscient narrator knows every character's thoughts and can comment on the whole world, a tool Dickens uses masterfully. A first-person narrator, the I, limits us to one mind, as in Jane Eyre. Always identify the narrator first, because point of view controls exactly what you, the reader, are allowed to know and trust. Victorian authors love the foil, a character placed beside another to highlight their differences. Set a cold, cruel character next to a warm, generous one, and each becomes clearer by contrast. The foil isn't there for their own sake. They exist to illuminate the main character. When you notice two characters who seem like opposites, ask what the contrast reveals about each. Many Victorian novels practice social realism, painting an honest, detailed picture of everyday life, especially its injustices. Dickens fills pages with crowded factories, poverty, and rigid class divisions. The careful settings and details aren't decoration. They build an argument for reform. As you read, treat vivid social detail as evidence. The author is showing you a problem and quietly urging society to fix it. Victorian writers load ordinary objects with symbolic meaning. A locked room can stand for a buried family secret. Thick fog can represent confusion or concealed truth. The clue is repetition. When an object keeps reappearing at charged moments, it has become a symbol. Track these recurring images, and you'll uncover themes the author chose to suggest rather than state outright. Here's your guide to the Victorian novel. 1. Identify the narrator's point of view first, because it shapes everything. 2. Foils use contrast to reveal character. 3. Social realism stacks honest detail to argue for reform. 4. Objects that keep returning become symbols of larger ideas. Apply these 4 lenses to Dickens or the Brontes, and the layers of meaning come into focus. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.